What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we have an unboxing video, as you can see here. This time it will be a NG models unboxing video for you guys. If you do enjoy this unboxing and you love aviation content, please drop a like on the video. And I would hope you would consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. But without further ado, let's get straight into the actual unboxing. So it just comes in your typical box, so we're just going to get straight on to the unboxing. I have not opened this yet, but I do know what the aircraft is because, yeah, I got the order form for it. But, yeah, let's get straight into it. Let me just put it over there. I would like to say I waited 6 months, about 7 months for this aircraft, so I'm glad that it finally came. And I'm very excited to show you guys it after it took forever. So here we just have some personal information. And then you have the aircraft lying right here. As I mentioned, it is NG models, so we'll see which one it actually is. There we go. Alright, so it just comes in your typical paper, and here is the model. It is the American Airlines Airbus A321 stand up to cancer livery. Getting straight onto the box, as many of you know, NG does a fantastic job on the majority of their boxes. Up here we have the titles Airbus A321-200 with the stand up to cancer in the background, as well as the computer generated aircraft right here, which does look fantastic. One thing to note is this probably came out in March, or yeah, I ordered it in February and I just now got it in September, so definitely pretty weird that it took so long, but I think it's because they ran out of stock and they reintroduced it. Anyway, then we have the American titles right here, as well as the registration, NG logo, 1/400 scale collectible die-cast metal. If you do not want to see the box, you can skip towards the part where I get to the aircraft, but the box is pretty exciting, so I'd recommend watching if you have the time. Then we have Airbus A321 NG computer generated aircraft. Registration is N162AA for American Airlines. Then you have NG American A321 American 1/400 scale collectible, and then this is the same as the other side in a brown tint though, and then this is the same as the other side. So yeah, let's get straight on to the unboxing. Getting straight onto the unboxing, it does look like there is no damage on the box except for a little damage on the top right corner, which you probably can't see. But without further ado, let's get into it. Their boxes are always super tight, so I don't want to break it. Oh no, there we go. Kind of bent it there, but there it is. So you just open this flap up, and you can see it's kind of cool. You have red, white, and blue, so that's pretty cool for American Airlines. And then this features the cardboard. This would have been my first American Airlines, this would have been my first A321, but I already got the Spirit. So here it is right here. Let me just adjust the camera really quick. You can see my Denver airport in the background. But anyway, here's the unboxing. It's just a plastic covering. And then we have another plastic little sheet on the top for protection. Then you have the aircraft right here. It is not broken. Many people have been getting their A321s broken by NG, but this is my probably, I'd want to say, like 20th NG model, and it still has not come broken, so that is very amazing, and good job NG models. Starting off the review portion of the video, here we will start at the front half of the aircraft. Starting here, we have the nose cones right here. Then we have the cockpit windows, as well as some logo which unfortunately I cannot see right there. Then we have the L1 boarding door as well as the landing gear down there, as well as an antenna up here. Then we have the All-American, not All-American, that's a Netflix show, but American logo right here as well. Well, this is their logo and then the title right there. And you have your all gray engines, and pretty much the whole body of the aircraft is gray. And then you have a beacon light right here, which what I think they call it. Then the L2 boarding door. Well, I don't know if they use it for boarding much more anymore, but your L2 door right here. And then we will scoot the aircraft on a little further. As you can see, this does have a tremendous amount of detail on the aircraft. I don't know if you can see it, but the landing gear should be down there. As well, this is the sharklets version. Right there is the sharklets. They did not paint a fence winglet. If you don't know what that is, you can just search up Airbus fence winglet and it'll come up. It's pretty much the other version opposed to the sharklets. They did not paint any special liveries into that one. I believe they also did a Marvel one not too long ago. And then we have a bunch of different arrows right here. So we have orange, black, red, and then it just keeps going orange, black, red, orange, black, red. That's for the actual stand up to cancer. As everybody knows, cancer is a very, very bad thing and very sad to see it in our world today. But anyway, then we have the flaps and stuff right here. It does have a ton of detail. Let me see if I can actually show you. Tilt it that way. You can see it does have a ton of detail with the flap part of the aircraft. And then we have the Wi-Fi box right there, and then a few more arrows, and then it says stand up to cancer right there. Let me just move it forward just a tad bit more. Oh, a little more. There we go. The wheels do roll. I forgot to mention, here's another door right here. I guess this would be L3, then L4, the very back door. And then you have another antenna right here, as well as the back door. Then you have your horizontal stabilizers, which are metal. Most Gemini Jets aircrafts are plastic now, unfortunately. That is very sad to see their quality deteriorating. But hopefully they bring it back up. Then next we have the American tail that you'll see on pretty much every aircraft. So yeah, that is that part of the aircraft. In my reviews, I like to show the top of the aircraft so you can see the detail on the wings and horizontal stabilizers, as well as the Wi-Fi box and all the antennas, which you can see on the aircraft. So here is your top view. If you were looking at a bird's eye view, this is what it would look like. So very nice detail, as you can see, throughout the entire aircraft. 10 out of 10. I also wanted to give a bit of a bottom part. As you can see, the engines, the landing gear, then there's a stand hole right here, which is pointless because they don't have a stand. But it does work with Gemini Jet stands, so that is very awesome. And you have all your detail on the flaps right there. You can see some antennas and stuff down here. So yeah, that is the bottom of the aircraft. That does conclude today's video of our NG models unboxing of the American Airbus A321 in the stand up to cancer livery. I am very pleased to have this model finally after about 6 to 7 months of waiting, and it was definitely worth the wait, and I would 10 on 10 recommend this model to you guys if you can still pick it up. I know they did just release a second batch of aircraft such as this and the plain American A321. That is a very good batch of aircrafts, and their A321 mold is on point. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like. That helps support me. And if you do like aviation and you liked this video and you like model planes, I'd hope you'd consider subscribing after watching this video. That about concludes today's video. If you did enjoy, please let me know in the comments, and if I need to improve on anything, also let me know in the comments. Currently I am on vacation, so this is a pre-recorded video, but we will have trip reports coming out very soon on the United CRJ200. I know it's not like a huge 787 trip report, but I will do my best to make it entertaining for you guys, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next airport update. Have a good rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.